Okay, so this is the second and last part of the tutorial of form validation, in which we're checking the existence of our fields. We can see that we've got an error string appended on each one of these particular fields if it doesn't exist, and we're going to come on now to say if error string doesn't equal nothing, meaning rather that should be a single equals. If it doesn't equal nothing, then it must equal something, so it must equal one of these. Then what we can do is we can echo out or say please fill out the following fields. A colon, a break, and then at the end of this, or inside, we can in fact say error string. Now what this is going to do is it's going to say please fill out the following fields, and it's going to echo out our error string depending on which one of these is missing. So say just email is missing, it will come up to this stage here and say, is the name there? Yes it is, so we're going to skip this line here. Is the email there? No, so we're going to add email to the error string. Is the message there? Yet, so we're going to skip that. If they're all missing, we're going to add name, email and message, if that makes sense to you guys. So now what we can do is say else, and we can just say execute, or rather run code. So to run that code, I'm just going to say die success. Or what we can do is sort of header to another page to say, yeah, you've successfully filled out the form, etc. Or send an email which would relate to this script, but it's up to you what you use this for. Okay, so if I open this page back up again, we've got nothing here. The reason we've got nothing here to start with is due to the fact that we're saying if submit, so if something has been submitted, we haven't clicked on this yet. If I do click on this, please fill out the following fields, name, email, message. Okay, so I'm just going to be cheeky and add my name in there and click submit or send. Please fill out the following fields, email, message. Now the problem that we've got here is the name is now missing, because remember I typed Alex in before, clicked send, and now it's gone, but we're still saying please fill out the following fields. And what we need to do for this is a common problem people run into as well. As you can embed, we're running a PHP extension file, so we can embed PHP code anywhere we want. What I'm going to do is under name, I'm going to say, usually you can say value equals, say like Alex, but obviously Alex I've already typed in from the last post, so our variable name is name, and then email and message. So what we can in fact do is just say value equals, and remember we can't say name because that would just take that as HTML code. So if I refresh there, you can see that name just comes up with a dollar sign. What we need to do is we need to say PHP tags and just do it as we'd normally write a bit of PHP code. So we're going to echo out the name. So I can copy this and then I can paste this inside the value of email, obviously changing this variable name to email. And then the same with name, the same with the text area, sorry. But we don't use the value. We shove this in between the text area tags, so we just put that like that. And let's save that out. Okay, let's come right back to our page again. Okay, so if I type my name Alex, or rather let's start from the beginning, click send, please fill out the following fields, name, email, message. Okay, so I'm going to type Alex as my name, I'm going to click send, and it says please fill out the following fields, email, message and name is still there. So save the form data from the previous submission. And this is useful because it is annoying when you have okay, I've just spotted that. Reason being is I was lazy and didn't change that to message. Let's just refresh that. Okay, so what I was saying was it is quite annoying when you have submitted a form and then you have to click back in your browser and the data has been wiped from the form. You could spend, you know, half an hour filling out a form and it would be destroyed just because this feature isn't incorporated. That's why I always like to post to the same page. It's a lot easier. Everything's there. It can still be validated. It's still secure. So if I was to type in my email address and click send, please fill out the following field, message. So the only thing missing now is message, and I'm just going to say hi. I'm going to click on send, and we have success. So that's a bit of professional form validation to check if your form field data exists, and this is a really good way to do it, a less annoying way for the user, and just it flows a lot better. So I hope this helps everyone that's been asking me about form validation and the best way to do it, but I'd say that is probably the best way to do it. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.